Yes, welcome our dear listeners to Alpha TV in Rwanda. My name is Alpha Nibijira. We are going to be with the MUA Insurance Company Limited. And we are going to be with the company of Stay Kigali is a guest house from Tuki number. And we are with the Lily's shop from Luyenzi. And now we have an best artist called Musabyimana Donati. Now he's going to be with us in this our international scene. Lily's shop, iduka ry'icyerekezo ku bakene ibyo kurya by'amoko yose turaranguza tukanacuruza detaye tubafitiye ibyo kurya by'amoko yose umuceri mwiza uyu wahogoje abawuguriye iwacu isukari nziza ifu ya kawunga yayindi ryohera uwayikoresheje tubafitiye ubugari mwakunze bwo ku buhanda ahazwi nk'igitwe amakaro na buka amavuta aryohesha indyo sauce tomate ya salisa n'ibindi mwakenera hano iwacu umwihariko wacu kandi nuko tubafitiye amafu y'ubwoko bwose ndetse n'amafu avangiye hamwe kandi atunganyije neza tubafitiye ibyo kunywa amata meza ndetse n'amazi by'uruganda rw'Inyange urahasanga ibikoresho by'isuku Kotex ku badamu n'abakobwa Pampex kubana papier hygienique ndetse n'ibindi bikoresho by'isuku utasanga handi dukorera mu isantere ya Ruyenzi ku cyapa cya mbere cya taxi z'imodoka z'igihara ku nyubako nkihari iwacu hariranga duhamagare kuri telefoni igendanwa 0788 48 cyangwa se uduhamagare kuri 0734 tubikugezeho mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya Lily's shop ibiciro byacu binogeye abatugana bose. President Paul Kagame awarded the honorary doctorate by Top Korean University. And he has been awarded in a public policy and management by South Korea's Yonsei University. This took place on Wednesday, June 5th in Seoul city, Seoul capital city of South Korea, on the sidelines of the Korea African Summit, an event that brought together delegations from African countries and key figures from Korean and international business communities to discuss cooperation. An honorary degree is an academic degree for which a university waives the usual degree requirements, often conferred as a way honoring a distinguished person's contributions to a specific field or to society in general. And founded in 1885, Yonsei University is a private higher learning institution that ranks among the top 3 universities in Korea. It is home to 178 research centers. On Tuesday, June 4th, in his remarks at the Korea African Summit, Kagame said the African continent and the East Asia countries should work together in the development of artificial intelligence and robotics, as well as the energy transition and the nuclear technology. He noted that partnerships with Korea have focused on innovation, which helped to bring the latest technologies to Rwanda and the Africa more quickly. In Uganda, President Museveni commissions 774 officer cadets. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, who is also the commander-in-chief of the Uganda People's Defense Force, UPDF, On June 1st, commissioned the 774 officer cadets who successfully completed their 1 year training course at the basic military training school in Ikaweweta. The commissioned officers belong to intake 18 of year to 2023 and 2024, and out of the 774 students, and the 28 were joined from Tanzania and Mali. During the commissioning, President Museveni congratulated the new officers for successfully completing their training course. The president said the commissioned officers were taken through a tough course and were exposed to the combined elements of warfare, so that they get a good preliminary exposure about fighting. General Museveni also cautioned the officers to stop regarding the army as a job but a responsibility to defend the country. President Museveni also pledged to continue enhancing the welfare of the army officers in terms of free housing and free education for the children of the soldiers, health, among others. Jacob Oboti, the Minister of State for Defense, Mrs. Salah Mateke, said that training is not only geared towards professionalizing the UPDF by equipping younger commanders with leadership skills, tactics, and disciplinary, but it is also resonates with President Museveni's guidance on their African strategies security. In Kenya,
muraho nitwa Nigena Josiane, nkaba nkorera company yitwa MU Insurance ishami rya Nyabugogo. Product dutanga harimo motor insurance, harimo fire insurance, general accident insurance, engineering insurance, Bama bonds, marine insurance, money insurance, travel insurance, aviation insurance n'izindi. Twabashishikarizaga rero kutugana, dutanga serivisi nziza. Tukaba twari mu imbere ya Beka mu etaje y'uwitwa Jacobo, etaje ifatanye na station SP. Ikaze rero, ni karibu. MU Insurance ni ya kera, imaze igihe iri gukora cyane kuko yahinduye izina. Mbere yitwaga Phoenix Insurance, ubu ngubu yitwa MU Insurance. Ikaze bakiriya beza, murakoze.
Kenya, Charles Ruto in war of words with the two Kitui member parliaments over shoes drive for schools. President Ruto's daughter, Charlene, has been caught up in a political battle with the member of parliament in Kitui County following her 2 days visit to the region. Two members of parliament allied to the ruling Kenya Kwanza Alliance, Lecho Nyamai Kitui South and Nimrodi Mbai Kitui East, have publicly castigated Mrs. Ruto over her charity work. Mrs. Ruto was in Kitui South constituency on Sunday, hosted by East Africa Community Cabinet Secretary Penina Malonza, where she distributed more than 1,000 pairs of shoes to various primary schools in the area. The president's daughter was accompanied by Zero Bear Food Campaign CEO Victor Akiplono, among other officials of the organization. During the distribution of shoes at Itumba Primary School in Muta Wadi, Dr. Nyamai said she had been sidelined. The member of parliament insinuated as a sinister motive by the organizers of the event to keep her in the dark, prompting Mrs. Malonza to explain that her office wrote and dispatched the letters to all elected leaders, including members of the county assembly. Dr. Nyamai, who belongs to Jubilee Party, that has been cooperating with the President Ruto's United Democratic Alliance (UDA), also questioned the source of funds used to buy the shoes, saying her constituency office had no provisions to undertake such an initiative. Mr. Mbai was blunt in his criticism of Mrs. Ruto and the Zero Barefoot campaign. And let us go in Tanzania. In Tanzania, and another news where you have got some news from there, but this is our end. Then I think we shall give you the news from Tanzania tomorrow, because now we have been explaining this as well as long. So thank you. Let us be with you in another international scene. Yes, tubaha ikaze kuri Alpha TV Rwanda. Turabana n'abafatanyabikorwa batandukanye barimo MUA Insurance, ishami rya Nyabugogo, akaba rero batanga ubwishingizi bwose ku binyabiziga. Ibaherereye Nyabugogo imbere ya banki ya Kigali, bakaba rero wabahamagara kuri telefone ngendanwa hariyo 0780453308 cyangwa se 0782167063. Turaza kubana kandi na Lily's Shop, ni iduka ricuruza ibiribwa, bakaba bacuruza detaye bakanaranguza ku giciro kinogeye buri wese. Baherereye mu murenge wa Runda ku Ruyenzi mu isantere. Bahamagare kuri telefone ngendanwa 07884848 8713 cyangwa se 0730943894. Turaza kandi kuba turi kumwe n'umuhanzi Musabyimana Donati, ni nayo mazina asanzwe akoresha kuri YouTube channel ye. Urasanga indirimbo zinyuranye, indirimbo zinyura imitima zikanaruhura intekerezo zinaniwe. Ibuka gukora subscribe, koresha ya ndetse na comment, ni ingenzi kuri we. Cyangwa se umuhamagara kuri 0788410981. Turabana kandi na Stay Kigali, ni inzu y'amacumbi nziza cyane, guest house y'icyerekezo, ifite ibyumba byiza naho kuruhukira heza, naho wicara witegeye ubwiza nyaburanga bwa Nyarugenge ndetse na Gasabo. Baherereye ku Kinamba muri Rompwe kuri Zebra Crossing, mu kuboko kw'iburyo uvuye ku kiraro kiva mu mujyi, ni haruguru y'umuhanda kuri clôture y'amatafari ya Ruriba. Urahabona icyapa cya Stay Kigali. Bahamagaza 0792191918 cyangwa se 0722421322. Nawe watugana tukakwamamariza kuri Alpha TV Rwanda. Waduhamagara kuri 0788957839 kuko turi umunara w'ibisubizo ku bashoramari bose batugannye.